Welcome, young scholars, to the journey of preparing for JEE and NEET with over 2 decades of guiding students. IIT toppers have come to know the ins and outs of what it takes to succeed. Let's embark on this journey together, starting right after your grade 10 board exams. The early bird does indeed catch the worm, and in this case, the worm is a deeper understanding and mastery over your subjects. Diving into the vast ocean of your syllabus might seem daunting at first. The key is to analyze it thoroughly. Opt for quality over quantity when it comes to reference books. Clarity in concepts trumps the number of books you've read. Remember, a well-understood concept is like a well-aimed arrow, it hits its target with precision. Now, let's talk about the importance of clearing your doubts. In the world of competitive exams, no concept is too small, and no question should be left unanswered. Approach your syllabus with the mindset of a conqueror, leaving no stone unturned. This exhaustive preparation ensures that you're not just prepared but are ahead of the curve. Wisdom of the past holds the key to your future success. Solving previous year's questions is like having a map in a treasure hunt. It might not give you the exact location of the treasure, but it sure does guide you in the right direction. Persistence here is your ally, keep at it, and you'll find the solutions become more accessible over time. Testing oneself is the art of preparation. Engage in chapter tests, module tests, and full syllabus tests regularly. Each test is a mirror reflecting both your strengths and areas for improvement. Analyze your mistakes critically but constructively. Remember, every error corrected is a step closer to your goal. Your tools and resources in this journey are your best allies. Mastering time management, stress management, and accuracy is as crucial as the study material itself. Practice is your best teacher here. Approach problems with determination, and remember, success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Let's address the elephant in the room, negative thoughts. They are like unwelcome guests in your mind. Acknowledge them, and then kindly show them the door. A positive mindset not only enhances your problem-solving skills but also keeps the journey enjoyable. Keep smiling, and let every problem you solve add to your confidence. As we conclude this session, remember, the path to success in JEE and NEET is paved with dedication, hard work, and an unwavering belief in oneself. You're not just preparing for an exam, you're preparing for a future full of possibilities. Keep pushing your limits, and remember, we are here to guide you every step of the way. All the best, champions. The future is yours to conquer.